What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. We have some good stuff going on in Shiba Inu right now. As you can see, we are now on this uptrend. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go right over Shiba Inu. As you can see, we are inside of the 24-hour market control, bullish by 60%. So last 24 hours, the market is 60% bullish. So that's pretty good right there. Now, we are having a chance of a reversal right now. So I'll explain a few things with the Vital Algo indicators. So over here with the red areas, it shows we have less demand with Shiba Inu. The green areas here show more demand for Shiba Inu. Now, as we just now hit a chance for reversal, it shows that we are pretty much getting rejected at this area here, which is pretty much acting at our resistance as our resistance. 0.00004 pretty much is now our new resistance. So this is going to lead us to take a little bit of a downtrend down here. We'll probably end up going down here to our previous areas of the 3.7 area to the 3.6 area, because this green area shows that we have lots of demand for Shiba Inu at 3.7 and 3.6. So we'll probably see some prices like that coming up very soon with Shiba Inu. Now, we do have lots of demand there, so that's huge support. Now, we were overbought here. Like literally the second we hit the green area, it always shows that we have lots of demand in the green areas. So the second we hit the green areas, we go right back on an uptrend. So look, the second we got here, we had this chance of reversal, and then we went right on the uptrend, showing that we are a little bit overbought. Not a little bit, a lot overbought actually with the oscillator here. So we are going to end up trending down here to the 3.7, 3.6 area. So definitely prepare for that. But anyways, that's pretty much what we got for the short-term analysis. Long term, yes, obviously we're bullish with Shiba Inu because Shiba Inu has so much going on fundamentally for it that is just 100% bullish. Like we got a lot of stuff. We're going to be talking about the game, the Shiba Inu game that they're going to be doing. It's going to be like a metaverse type thing, and we're going to have a lot of different other stuff coming up with Shiba Inu. So definitely prepare for that. So let's move on to the Shiba Inu analysis inside of the analyst points of view. So Shiba Inu price analysis. SHIB meets a critical support, but is correction over? A lot of people are like, no, correction isn't over. The actual analysts are probably saying that no, it's not over, but we are on a little bit of an uptrend right here. So over here, you can see SHIB seems to have formed an interesting technical formation that might indicate that its correction is coming to an end. So they said it might indicate that it's coming to an end. Not 100%, but it might be coming to an end. So key support levels is 0.00035, like I said, with our supply and demand over here. You can see our supply and demand area ends around the 3.5 area, but give or take around the 3.7 to the 3.6 area. And then over here, you can see 0.00032, also our major support. Major resistance is at 0.00039. Right now, we're at 3949, and then the other one is at 0.00044. So SHIB's latest drop in price found support on the 0.00035 level. So in the price appears to approach the end of this bullish descending triangle wedge highlighted in the blue chart down here below. So this is pretty much what we're seeing. The big question is if SHIB can break away and rally to the end correction. So a first signal that this could be taking place is if SHIB will manage to turn the 0.00039 resistance into support. So that's what we're trying to do here. Now, if that happens, there's a good chance SHIB can reverse the course. Now, right now, what they're talking about trying to turn this area that we're at right now, the 3940 to support. As you can see, we're at the 39 area, but in terms of changing that to support, it's going to be pretty hard. I'll actually mention why that's going to be pretty hard. As you can see here, we have supply and demand. So the green areas show more demand. Red areas show less demand. The reason why it's going to be hard for the 3.9 area to be our support, because you can already see it right now. We're getting rejected right now. We couldn't really get above 3.9 to get to the 4.0 area. Like the second we got to the 4.0 area yesterday, we got rejected. So even today, we didn't even get there. We almost got there, but we got rejected right before we hit that 4.0 area. So if we can continue to have these same trends, right? If we continue to have these same kind of uptrends and we can break past the supply and demand up here, then we will be good. And then the 3.9 area will be our new support. And then that would bring us into the bullish pattern. But what I'm noticing here with SHIB, the chance of reversal only pops up whenever we have, either a downtrend that's about to come or an uptrend. Like back here, you can see with the vital algo indicator. Second, we start to have, a chance of reversal. We go up on a small little uptrend, but then back on a downtrend. The chance we have the next time we have another chance of reversal, we go up on a small little uptrend and then back on a downtrend, right? And then over here, you can see the same thing. Now we were on a little bit of an uptrend right here with this chance of reversal, but this chance of reversal pretty much sent us down to a downtrend. And then this chance of reversal sent us up to an uptrend, and then leading to this one right here that sent us up on another uptrend. Now, what I'm noticing here is this chance of reversal shows that we're going down on a downtrend, right? But look at what happened right when we had the same kind of downtrend here. We went and had a downtrend and went down to the 3819 area, 3820 area. But the second we hit that, we started to go on another uptrend. Now, if we can do this same thing, if we can play out this same area right here and do the same thing over here, and what I'm talking about is this area here. If we can do that same thing right here, we can actually end up breaking out of this area. And what I mean by this area, I mean this supply and demand up here, the red area of the supply and demand. So if we can break that area, then we're definitely going to use this line pretty much as our new support, and then we can actually have an uptrend from there. But right now, this is resistance, and we are definitely retesting it, but it's not going very well. And pretty much the reason why I'm saying that it's not going very well is because we're having a chance for reversal, showing that we are having a chance for reversal possibly to the downside. Because look, we were overbought here on the oscillator, and you can see the oscillator is starting to lose volume. So as we're losing volume, we're probably about to have one of these red volumes, which is pretty much showing selling. So we're at the bottom of our buying volume. Bottom of our buying value. I don't know why I just had a tongue twister there, but the bottom of our buying volume, and then over here we're gonna have probably some more selling coming up. Now, selling will more than likely not be as significant, just like how you seen back here. There was selling, but it wasn't very significant. And even when we had an oversold area, it wasn't too bad. Like, we had the oversold area, but it was so oversold that it presented a buying opportunity for the bulls, showing the bullish movement from this part of the oscillator to that part, pretty much showing that we had a lot of selling volume and then less selling volume and then almost no selling volume. So now what we're seeing now is that we're having some selling volume coming in. You can even see red candlesticks are starting to form around these green candlesticks, which means that we're pretty much having some selling coming up. So anyways, let's keep going over this. So over here, you can see technical indicators. The volume decreased along with the price. This is a bullish indicator. Moreover, the last attempt to break away from the wedge was met with a quick increase in volume, showing that interest in SHIB remains high once a rally starts. So interest in SHIB is still high. The green area shows more demand for Shiba Inu. I do want to mention that the overall crypto market, if we could see recovery in the whole overall crypto market, like more than what's happening now, like this is amazing. Like Bitcoin up 6.3% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum 7.4%, Binance 4.0%, Solana 7.8%. Everything's up. Cardano 6.2%. So since everything is up within like the last 24 hours, that's a huge jump. But usually when we get big jumps like this, we're usually followed by a downtrend. So if we can't keep this up, if Bitcoin can't make it to 60K, if Ethereum can't get back up to like 4,500 or something like that, or like 4,700, if Bitcoin and Ethereum do not continue to go up, we're going to see everything else continue to go down, including Shiba Inu. But if they keep doing what it's doing now, then we're going to see Shiba Inu go on the bullish pattern like the analysts are pretty much saying. So that's what we're going to see here with Shiba Inu. Now, let's keep going over this because we have a lot to go over. So over here, you can see that this is a bullish indicator, pretty much showing that we're on this wedge, but we're like right at the end of the wedge. And let's open that up in a bigger view. So you pretty much see this right here. It shows that we're having this resistance at 0.00039, and then it's showing that we're having some support at the 3.2 area. If we break out the wedge, the 3.2 area is the next area, 0.00032. If we break out of this wedge into a negative downtrend, and then our resistance being 3923. Now, we're already at 3940, so we already broke that resistance, but now we have another minor resistance that we had to break in order to get to the 40 area. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here. Now, over here, you can see the RSI remains bearish, and on the 12-hour time frame, it nearly went under 30 points. So RSI is seeming bearish. Pretty much what they're saying right now is the overall short term, a little bit bearish, but long term, Shiba Inu is bullish. So this is not good, but if the RSI manages to complete a higher low, then a recovery becomes likely. So the MACD on the 12 hours continues to be bearish, but the histogram is very close to making a cross on the positive side. So if confirmed, this would be the first time this happens since the start of November. So over here, you can see the bias on SHIB is bearish until a break above the blue wedge happens. So yes, short term, bearish, long term, bullish, just like Dogecoin, just like Dogecoin. I know a lot of people don't like Dogecoin, but just like Dogecoin, short term bearish, long term bullish. So short-term prediction for SHIB over here. SHIB's price may continue to consolidate in the apex of this formation for a few days before a breakout can be attempted. Now, the MACD histogram and decreasing volume of its latest drop hint at a possible rally in the future, but it's too early now to confirm. But we do have a rally coming in the future. That's pretty much what they're saying. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but long-term bullish, short-term bearish. That's my prediction here, and that's also theirs, as you can see. But let's go on with this. So we know we're having this game coming out. This Shiba Inu game is about to be huge. So pretty much it's being worked on by William Volk. He's a really big person inside tech, inside gaming, former vice president of tech at Activision. That's really big. Activision, one of the biggest gaming companies out there, and he was the former vice president of the tech there. So that's pretty big stuff there. And New A is going to be now accepting Shiba as a payment very soon. So this is going to be pretty big. And metaverse, Shiba Inu is also going to start getting into the metaverse. So we got a lot going on there. So why Shiba Inu and metaverse may be a match forced in heaven. This is huge. So over here, you can see Satoshi Kusama, a popular Shiba Inu proponent, announced on Medium that the development team has entered a partnership with William David Volk. We already talked about that. So this is about to be very, very, very big. So the Medium post mentioned that the game will initially not be blockchain based. The blockchain version will be built on it, though, using Shiba Inu's decentralized network. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Remember, Shiba Inu is coming out. So Kusama went on to mention that the long-term objective of the blockchain game would be to incorporate Shiba Inu in the metaverse universe. In addition to that, the team lead mentioned that their approach will be radically different from Facebook's. So they're pretty much trying to implement the Shiba Inu blockchain game into the whole metaverse. That's going to be big. Imagine GTA, but with real money. Imagine GTA, but with crypto. Like, just imagine that. You're rolling around on GTA, you go rob a bank or something, and then boom, you just earn yourself some crypto for robbing a bank on GTA. Or you're doing some crazy stuff on GTA, like you're doing some mission, and then boom, they give you crypto for that mission. Like this could be what Shiba Inu is, and obviously you're not gonna be doing no GTA stuff on the Shiba Inu blockchain game. Like, it's not gonna happen like that. But this could be very big for Shiba Inu. However, it's gonna work. I'm definitely really excited to see what happens next for Shiba Inu. But anyways, as you can see, Shiba Inu is recovering right now though, 4.9% up for the last 24 hours. That's good news there. But there's still a good dip to buy from Shiba Inu. As you can see, we're 54% down from the all-time high. So there still is a chance to make money with Shiba Inu. You just gotta wait and be patient because Shiba Inu is bullish in the long term. Short term is, bearish. Obviously, with every crypto right now, it's bearish in the short term. But yeah, right now we're at 1,011,479 people in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is growing really fast right now, like almost at 1.1 million. Like, that's a lot. Anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over this and show you what we have coming up here with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has been doing great things, so I just want to see Shiba continue to grow huge. But yeah, anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.